Dear friends, welcome to the content on mole concept. In this topic, we'll see introduction to mole concept, gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. What is a mole? A mole is a counting unit. 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles, that is atoms or molecules, as there are in 12 grams of C12. The number of particles present in 1 mole of any substance is fixed, with a value of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This number is called as Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant. It was discovered by an Italian scientist, Amedeo Avogadro. 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters at standard temperature and pressure, that is STP. 1 mole of any gas under same conditions of temperature and pressure occupies same volume. History. Avogadro number is named after Amedeo Avogadro, who is known for his contributions to molecular theory. In 1909, Jean Perrin proposed to name the constant in honor of Avogadro. How much is a mole? A mole is a quantity used by chemists to count the atoms and molecules. 1 mole is a constant number of the value 6022136,736 followed by 14 zeros, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Why 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23? Now we know that 1 mole of anything is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 1 mole of any substance has as many particles as number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12 has in it. Mass of 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass, symbolized by mm. Unit of molar mass is G by mole. The table contains a few elements with their symbols and molar mass. Gram atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. 1 gram atom of any element contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of an element. It is equal to 1 mole of atoms. 1 gram atomic mass is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, that is equal to 1 mole. Sodium has valency of +1 and chlorine has valency of -1. The molecular mass of an element expressed in grams. Ionic compounds do not contain molecules and therefore their molecular masses are equal to their formula unit masses. It is equal to 1 mole of molecules. 1 gram atomic mass is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms is equal to 1 mole. Example 1. Now let's take an example of 1 mole of oxygen molecules. A. How many molecules does it contain? B. How many atoms does it contain? And C. How much does it weigh? Answer for A is 1 mole of O2 contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Answer for B is 1 mole of O2 contains 2 moles of oxygen atoms, that is 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. And answer for 3 is molecular mass of oxygen is 16 gram per mole, that is 1 mole of O2 weighs 2 into 16 is equal to 32 grams. Example 2. How many molecules are present in 142 grams of chlorine? Answer is atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 grams. Chlorine is a diatomic molecule, which means 1 molecule of chlorine contains 2 atoms of chlorine. Thus, the molecular mass of chlorine is 2 into 35.5 is equal to 71. The number of moles of nitrogen is equal to mass in grams per molecular weight is equal to 142 by 35.5 is equal to 4 moles. 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Thus, 4 moles 142 grams of Cl2 will contain 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Example 3. Calculate the mass of 0.45 moles of copper in grams. Given Cu is equal to 63.5. Answer is gram atomic mass of copper is equal to 63.5. Number of moles of copper is equal to 0.45. Thus, mass of copper in grams is equal to gram atomic mass of copper into number of moles of copper. So we multiply these values and get the answer 28.575 grams. Thank you. This content was developed under Akash School project. This project is funded by NME ICT and MHRD. If you wish to contact us, please mail us at the given email ID. Thank you for watching this content.